to fix Overwatch FPS drops issue on Windows. 1. Adjust your game graphics settings. Hints. 1. Google, then try some Overwatch best settings and options on the web. Say. Display mode, full screen. Field of view, 103. BSYNC, off. Triple buffering, off. Reduce buffering, on. Graphic quality, low. Texture quality, low or medium. Texture filtering quality, low 1x. 2. Change game resolution. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, uninstall then reinstall display driver. Like this. 3. Repair your game files via battle.net. Launcher. Like this. 4. Check for software confliction via Windows Clean Boot Mode. 5. Grade your hardware if needed. Notes. 1. You need to ensure proper functioning of hardware as well. 2. Maintain clean and ventilated ambience. 6. Other tips, close background processes via WTM. Update Windows. See more tips at https://us.battle.net/support/n/article/39980. Overwatch performance, FPS, issues.